Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am good. And tell me in the comment section that how are you? What are you doing right now? Uh, let's start the tutorial. I am using this hijab cap right in this tutorial. This is the hijab cap as my niqab piece. You know, like this. I am. This is the hijab cap. This is the two straps which we are tie knot here, but we are using this hijab cap as niqab piece. Now I am wearing dupatta. This dupatta. I am using a pin over here like this. And putting this side here, and that's it. Is it looking good or not? This is the tutorial without cap. Bye bye guys.